This is the DIY Garden Minute by Spoken Garden, teaching you tips and tricks for your garden in minutes. Find more quick topics at spokengarden.com and click on the Listen tab. Today's topic is why aren't your summer bulbs flowering? Summer flowering bulbs are some of the most gorgeous and beautiful plants to grow, not to mention easy too, in any garden. Bulbs like gladiolus, lily, dahlias, begonias, canna and calla lilies, freesia, and many more can transform your garden into a tropical and exotic getaway. But sometimes our summer flowering bulbs don't flower, and this can be extremely frustrating to any gardener that has put the time and work into placing them into the perfect garden location to be the center of attention for part or most of the summer. This might have happened to you, and it left you scratching your head wondering what the heck happened. Well, there are a couple reasons why your summer bulbs aren't flowering, and here are 5 reasons we have seen. First, your bulbs may have been planted either too deep or too shallow. If you see lots of green leaves but no flowers, there is a good chance their depth needs to be adjusted. Measure their current depth against normal depth needs for that bulb. Secondly, your bulbs might be too young to flower just yet. Typically, bulbs need to be at least 2 to 3 years old before they will produce a flower or flowers. Third, your bulbs could be under a kind of stress where they are putting all of their energy into photosynthesizing and not into flowering. Stresses like pests, diseases, or poor drainage could be causing your bulbs not to flower. Fourth, your bulbs might be growing too close together where they are trying to outcompete each other and can lead to no flowers developing. Check to see if each bulb has at least 6 or more inches between it and all other bulbs around it. And the 5th reason your bulbs might not be flowering is your bulbs might not be getting enough nutrition to develop flowers and need their soil refreshed with nutrients with a liquid or time-release fertilizer, and you could also mix in a general compost every year to make sure they're getting the right nutrition. Now, make sure to investigate if any of these are stopping your bulbs from flowering this summer. Use your best judgment and your favorite reference guides to learn more. Your bulb supplier or retailer can be a great resource for more information. Now for us, we trust Eden Brothers to have the best bulbs for spring and summer, and they have their fall planted bulbs in right now. Head over to EdenBrothers.com and start adding to your bulb shopping cart to get a jump on fall bulb shopping. Hurry, their inventory is going quickly. Also, be sure to use our 15% off coupon code SpokenGarden at checkout. Happy gardening! You can find other quick tip garden topics on our podcast page at spokengarden.com and click the Listen tab at the top of the page. And make sure to subscribe to this podcast so you don't miss future quick garden episodes. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll see you in the garden.